Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get a new headless bundle on Roblox. So first of all, you have to click on Marketplace. Now you have to hold on here and go to in Recent Creative to get all the new items. Now you have to click on here headless head on click on head and get all the heads from here. Now you have to scroll down and you will see here this frisbee bundle. So you can click on it, and just on this bundle as soon as possible before it may go off sale. So guys, once you obtain it, now let me show you how it looks when you wear it. Now go to head and body and go to style. Now let me choose this head. Let's see how it looks. I have two head right now, and I'll give the link both head. So go and check it out, and guys, keep it as soon as possible. So make sure to wear a hair that covers your forehead. So it basically covers the front part of the head, and it will make your head completely headless. Fine, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.